I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful process flow presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. This one, yes. Go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle by holding Shift Alt. Okay, give it some gradient color. I need only 2 stops, so I am going to delete extra stop. I'm going to give this stop gray color, and this will be white. Direction from up to down. Shape outline, give it white outline and give it some shadow effect. Go to shadow effect, and this one, increase the transparency about 80 and size will be 103 or 104 according to your desires. Blur will be 8. Again, go to insert and take another rectangle, I think this one, and drag horizontally like this, and give it some gradient color. Need only 2 stops, so I am going to give this stop this one color, and again the recent color this one, and make it little bit light. Go to more color to visible by the gradient, the visible to become visible the gradient from left to right. Shape outline, give it a white color. Also give a shadow effect as the rounded rectangle effect. Transparency, increase the transparency about 80 and size will be 104. Blur will be around about 8. Place it here at over this rounded rectangle and make it little bit bigger in size from left to right. Okay, make it little bit smaller in size. So again, take this one and I'm going to make it little bit bigger in size. Here is the detail step, so the shape will be bigger in size, so I need a bigger in size shape. So I'm going to take a curly bracket, this one, and drag a curly bracket through this handle. I'm going to rotate it by holding Shift and place it here at the center of the shape. Make it rounded. And align it. You can increase or decrease these steps, these types according to your requirement. Here I am going to take only two types, and you can increase or decrease these types according to your requirements. Let me give this again by Control D to duplicate it and make it a little bit smaller. Shape outline, give the same color as the other design color, this one, yes. Control D to duplicate it, this curly bracket, and place it here at the center of the first rectangle and make it a little bit smaller in size. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Send to back. Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to take another type of this one. You can increase or decrease these types according to your requirement. Let me drag this line segment to this one, this types. Yes, Control Shift C and select Control Shift V, send to back. Let me align it, this type, these types. Yes, Control D to duplicate it, select these types and Control D to duplicate it and put it here under the second type. Let me align it. Select all these types and align it. Align also the curly bracket according to the types. Select these and send to back. Let me bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. Select this one and this one. This is for a detail type and the first one for other types. So Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. Control D to duplicate it. Here is the position and at the top the name of the employee will go. Give it white color. White color, Control D to duplicate it and put it on the other side of the type. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Make it its size to 18. Yes. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. And let me select these three names and their position and put it here. Thank you for watching.